This part's a little small, so I just thought maybe I'd do a quick little video of it to show you that the pins, there's 3 pins. I have my continuity tester here. So I wanted to see where these pins went, so I'm going to put the probe in the back pin. Come on. Okay, so the back pin here, the back pin here has continuity to the front pin there. What about this side? Okay, so this side pin has continuity to here. The bottom, oh jeez. Hold on, nobody move. Okay, I'm back. So this side pin in here is for here, the flat part. But what about this one in the front? Oh wow. Okay, so the bottom one and the side go to the bottom flange there. Alright, well, I'm glad I figured that out.